What do astronauts eat in space? Aboard the International Space Station, food pouches are always an option while other items rely on using a chiller or adding water to heat a meal. But it turns out you can do a lot even with those limitations. Food scientists at NASA have created menus that offer variety, nutrition, and taste, and astronauts get to try the available options ahead of launches and put in their top requests. Of course, everyone has their favorites, and to spice things up on the station, many crew members report loving strong flavors like hot sauce or curries. For meals, tortillas are a daily staple. Bread creates crumb problems, but tortillas are less crumbly. They also last up to 18 months and they're mold resistant. In 2024, crew members consumed over 3,100 tortillas for tacos, space burgers, pizzas, and more. Crackers, dried fruit, nuts, chocolate, and protein bars are also common snacks. Resupply missions also include a limited supply of fresh apples and oranges. But as missions stretch farther to the moon and Mars, food scientists are focused on creating meals that will remain shelf-stable for at least 5 years. That food must fit into small spaces and meet essential safety and nutritional needs. Plus, it has to be tasty. NASA scientists routinely enlist people on Earth to sample products in development. Why? Because crews have to continue eating this food even a year into a mission. And really, hot sauce can only do so much.